Bring your hanging baskets to life and new heights with the right soil, plants, and care. Start with a coir-lined basket for a natural look and healthy roots, lined with a plastic bag to lock in moisture with a few drainage holes. For the soil, mix together quality potting soil, palm peat, and water-wise crystals. A sprinkle of slow-release fertilizer will keep your plants fed for a steady growth. This combination locks in moisture so plants stay happy even on hot days. When planting, begin with the taller center plant to create height and focus. In this case, Angelonia Archangel. Then add intermediate plants such as Terenias for layers of color and charm. Finally, place trailing plants around the edges to cascade beautifully over the sides, such as crassulas. Hang your basket in the right spot based on the lighting needs of your plants, full sun, partial shade, or anything in between. Keep it at eye level for easy maintenance and to admire your plants, and ensure hooks and chains are sturdy. And finally, maintenance and care. It's easy. Deadhead spent flowers, prune lightly for shape, water to keep soil moist, not soggy, and feed with a liquid fertilizer every 10 days to encourage new blooms. When the Angelonia gets a bit taller, it's going to look spectacular. It's really that easy to bring your hanging basket to life all season long. Find everything you need at your local GCA garden centre. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to locate one near you.